So I leave my boyfriend for 2 seconds. Okay, I'm taking pictures over there. Look where I find him. Say hi.
Hi.
How did you get down there, baby? How did he get down there? There's no... Hey guys, and welcome to our last minute trips to Puerto Rico. Join us as we share our wonderful adventures.
Well, anyway, so dormimos ahí en la montaña, en el parque.
Let's start with part 1, day 1. Here we go. We flew from Orlando, Florida to San Juan, Puerto Rico. We landed, and after we got our rental, we realized we only have a few hours left to the morning time. The original plan was to stay at Loíza Beach. Good morning from Puerto Rico. We ended up sleeping in Yunque. Imagine the serenity of sleeping in the rainforest, where we embraced the sounds of Puerto Rican screech owls, the lizard cuckoos, and of course the rhythmic melody of coqui frogs throughout the night. We woke up to a breathtaking scene gazing upon the distant beach. Shortly after, we got some breakfast and headed on the road.
Grabando, estamos en el Yunque. Vamos para una montaña aquí del Yunque que es el National Park, Parque Nacional.
Traffic.
Vamos, por cierto, nos quedamos a dormir ahí. Es que había un zanculito en la noche que no me dejó dormir y ya nos terminamos durmiendo como a las...
Whatever. We decided to book an excursion through Viator. But first, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and in the meantime, let's enjoy these views. We booked a 3-hour guided tour at the National Rainforest, which included hiking, natural water slides, and enjoying the rich waters the river had to offer. No, don't. Look up a little bit. Up. Yeah. Welcome to our Yunque Rainforest. The tour guide started by explaining what was to be expected in the rainforest and answered any questions we had, and I mean any.
And then there's a bathroom along the way. It's a long hike.
Let's keep moving along. Along the beginning of our hike, you could see the endless bamboos that were a scenic part of our trail. These bamboos were imported from the Philippines to prevent erosions in the island. There are 8 rivers flowing from the Yunque National Rainforest. With the arrival of Spanish colonizers in the 15th century, the rivers played a crucial role to the native Tainos and in the development of supplements and plantations. We were hiking alongside el Rio Fajardo, named after Santiago Fajardo, one of the first Spanish colonizers at the time. They also mentioned there is a history of gold being in these rivers, and they weren't afraid to let us know to turn some of that gold in.
We're gonna go gold mining.
Tell my guests if you do see something shiny, you're gonna let me know personally. I'm gonna let you know.
Now let's get back to our hike. We got to see and learned about the beautiful plants surrounding the rainforest, such as tree ferns, peacock ferns, royal palm trees, shelled ginger, jagrumo, also known as trumpet trees, and my favorite.
This is called the Morivivi. That's the one that pushes us when you touch it.
Oh, yeah.
You guys can touch them if you want right now.
These ferns were amazing. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get a good shot at them on our camera. But here's a video from Press Puerto Rico 1 showing these plants in action.
Girl, they grow wild here in Puerto Rico. They hit the leaves and they close. They call them here Morivivi plant. They live, die plant. They live and they die when you touch them. And they live again. They're cute, aren't they?
Yes, they are. Thanks, Miguel, for letting us use that footage. Let's get back on track here. Here's some obstacles and some memorable moments from our hike.
All right.
The big rocks. The big rocks are usually more slippery.
Small rocks. Take it easy. Yeah.
Wow. Pero como que ayudan estas rocas acá a mantener el grip.
There's a lot of rainforest at the bottom.
Ya. Cuidado que la de atrás viene con más energía que tú. La de atrás viene con más energía que tú y te gana con 40 años más.
5 seconds later.
Grab your hand. Okay.
You're too fast for me for this.
Yes, I am. You're right about that. Miren cómo viene caminando como un pingüino con frío.
Ya.
Eso es lo emocionante.
I know, but
El bird ese, quería saber que yo lo escuchaba anoche. ¿Qué es eso, el que hace ese sonido?
Puerto Rican screech owl.
¿Ese es un lizard?
No, it's a Puerto Rican lizard cuckoo.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I got it.
Lagartijitos.
Okay.
Shortly after is when the fun began.
Woohoo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah!
That's cool.
Yeah! Wow! Yeah! Vale la pena aquí en Puerto Rico.
I look like a child, but it's okay.
You miss mom once you get down here, okay?
It was Luis's first time in Puerto Rico and he was not disappointed.
Miren qué hermosura. Es una selva. Esto está hermoso. Qué hermoso, miren. Ay, qué hermoso.
And if you were wondering how cold the water was, this is how we felt.
Together. We gotta do this. El que tenga miedo de morir. Mira esa. Oh.
We got to dive in the rich waters of the river. And let me tell you, it was beautiful. Cold, but beautiful.
I turned it off because y'all was outside. Just like a ladder. You're gonna go right, or left, right, left. For taller people. Right, left, right through the middle.
What?
You go ahead. No, you go ahead. Push you from behind. Hold on, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna let you do it.
Are you good?
You got it.
Momentum, 150, go.
You need help?
Go back down.
I will.
Put your back that way, you look at.
No? Yeah, you got it. 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 I want to jump.
Gotta follow him. You don't do this on the end.
At the end? Oh, that's when we come back.
We're gonna do that after.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna listen.
No, I don't listen.
No.
I'm wild right now.
From there, things were going pretty smooth. Well, at least until...
You see this hole right here? There's some leaves on this hole right here. You're gonna put your left foot on that pocket of leaves. You're gonna extend your right foot to this corner right here. Now guys, once you're here, all I need is commitment from you. Alright? You need to jump chest first. You do not need to grab onto it or hold it or nothing.
You heard that?
Got it? Left. Right. To left.
Correct.
Hey, go baby.
No, I'm gonna...
Is it right foot?
Here we go again. Got it.
Baby, es que yo estoy aquí para detenerte, si te... Good job.
Thank you.
Okay.
No hands.
You did it with no hair?
Okay, guys, let's not get him gassed up.
Alright, you're gonna stand right
Baby, for me, this is nothing, baby.
Stand right here. I'm gonna take a picture from you up there.
Yeah.
Water. Water. Right.
Wow, that's the best water I've had in my life.
We made a montage of the rest of the adventure because unfortunately our GoPro died. Well, that ends our part 1 of our trip to Puerto Rico. If you liked our video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and check out part 2. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to not miss our next adventure.